moves.
We're gonna take those feet a shoulder width apart and just take your right hip to the right. Now you're gonna take your hips back and then they're gonna go to the left and then forward. So we got to the right, stick it out, take it back. To the left, bring it on forward. Making a circle. Here we go. So we got to the right, to the booty, to the left, and forward. Let's do a little faster. We got side, back, side, forward. Side, back, side, forward. Let's smooth it out into a circle. So we're gonna take that hip to the right, to the back, to the side, and feel that grindiness to the right, back, side, forward, right, back, side, and forward, right, back, side, and the forward. Let's go to the left. Here we go. So hips going to the left side. We're gonna take it back. It's gonna go to the right and forward and left, back, right, forward. One more time. Left, back, right, and forward. Let's smooth it out. So we got left, right, back, right, forward. Left, back, right, forward. And let's put it on fast forward. Here we go. You got it.
Getting into the body wave, we're gonna attack 4 different body positions. So the first one, you stick your chest out and squeeze your back. Second position, you will lift your heart up like you're bending backwards. And then third one, you start to hug your belly in, neutralizing your spine. And fourth one, you will start to round your back slightly and pull your belly in as if somebody's punching you in the stomach. So 4 positions, here we go again. First one, stick your chest out, arch your back. Second, lift your heart up, hips slightly forward. Third one, start to round and close your rib cage. Fourth one, really round your back. Okay, like a hunchback almost. Let's go again. First one, stick out your chest, arch your back. Second, lift your heart. Third, round. And fourth, really hug your belly in. And again, 1, up 2, in 3, round 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You probably noticed by now you're using quite a lot of your back strength and as well as your belly strength, okay? So it should feel like a little bit of a workout. Let's do it again. And arch, stick out your booty even, find an extreme position, lift your heart up, booty still out, and then now start to neutralize and close. Again, really stick that butt out, reach your chest, and then lift it up, and then close and round. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to feel your chest like a wave, kind of like a wave crashing backwards, and then you imagine a pearl rolling down your middle all the way down into your belly, okay? So just have that visual. Let's go again. And 1, feel that wave. 2, feel the marble rolling down your chest into your belly. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 down, 4 more to go. Later on in this video, we're going to show you how to put some of these moves into a cool little mini practice routine. let's go into the head rolls. So we're gonna go dropping your ear towards your right shoulder. Then you will do a little circle with your chin across your chest and your collarbone until your left ear is on top of your left shoulder. And then you just come straight up. So we're essentially just doing kind of a semicircle with the roll. Let's go again. Right ear to right shoulder, and then dropping your chin down across your chest towards the left, and then just lift your chin back up. And again, to the right, and rolling forward to the left, and around, okay? Now we're gonna start to include the shoulders as well in the roll. So drop your right ear to your right shoulder, and as you roll your chin forward, I want you to hunch down a little bit with the shoulders, okay? Hunch down, and then as your ear comes towards your left shoulder, you open your chest up again, and then back to center. And again, right ear to right shoulder, and start to round your shoulder tips forward as you drop your chin down. Ear over, open up your chest, and back. So there's a little bit of a roll in the shoulders as well. You see that? Let's go again. Same side, and to the right. And rounding the shoulders forward as the chin drops. And opening the shoulders as you come back. One more time on this side. To the right, and rolling, and to the left, and back. Okay, let's go to the left this time. As you're doing this move, as you're learning it, try to create a little bit more of an organic movement in the shoulders because it's a sexy move. So we don't want it to be too blocky, and that's what destroys this move most of the time. So let's go again. Left ear to left shoulder, and then feel more organic as you round the shoulders over to the right and then back again. And continuously, left to the forward, to the side, and around. And if you have long hair like me, just embrace the feeling of your hair caressing your face and around. And center, and last one to the left and around and back to center.
First, we're gonna do a horse squat. Sumo wrestler style. Now, we're gonna use our abs to contract our hips forward, and then we're just gonna thrust back hard. Boom! That's it. Thrust it forward and back. Forward, back. This is a good workout, by the way. Back, and contract, back. Contract, back. Contract, and push it back. So it's just a matter of making sure you get that sudden, abrupt twerk. And twerk. And twerk. If you feel like you need to, you can also do it standing. It's the same idea. You're just gonna basically contract your hips forward using your abs, and then push it back. Boom. And back. Contract, stick it out. Contract, out. There we go. Contract, out. Contract, out. Let's speed it up. And boom, 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 boom. A little faster. Here we go. And boom, 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 boom. I think we got it.
Twerking is sort of a controversial move.
I think it's awesome. I mean, guys love it when girls twerk.
Okay, I can respect your view on that, but it's not exactly the most elegant thing in the universe.
What do you think? Is twerking really sexy, or would you say it's too controversial? What's your opinion? Leave us a comment below. Bridge rolls. Begin by lying on your back, and then bring your feet towards your hips. From there, you're going to thrust your hips upward. And also press your shoulders down. Now you take your hips to the right, then they're gonna come down, and they're gonna go to the left, and then we're back up to the starting position. To the right, down, leftwards, up, to the right, down, to your left, bring them all the way up, and forward. Let's stop there for a moment. Make sure you're pressing your shoulders down into the ground. You don't want your feet to move around. You don't want your shoulders to move, so we can really see that circle of your hips. Let's do it again. To the right, down, to the left, and push it way up there, and then to the right, down, left, and up. Now think of a jump rope. You're kind of being a jump rope with your hips. You're going all the way up and to the side and down to the left, all the way back up again. Trying to get that big, giant amount of circle, a lot of range of motion. To the right, down, that's it. Remember to smile sometimes. There we go. And to really make it good, we like to add a dog to the shot. That always enhances the hip action. Perfect. Perfect execution. Butterfly on the floor, knee pads needed. What we're gonna do is come to a tabletop, and we're gonna bring our chest down and then back up again. So you wanna make sure you get the chest down and up. That's part one. Basically doing like a push-up. Boom, boom. Now, we're gonna make some snow angels with those knees. So we just circle the knees out and bring it back to the beginning position. And circle it and bring it back. Now, this doesn't work without the sort of up and down of the chest. So you've got your circle here, and you wanna make sure you first go down with the chest and then make a circle, and then come up, down with the chest, make a circle, down with the chest, make a circle, down with the chest first, then make a circle, chest down, circle it up, chest down, and if you really want to get adventurous, you can just start to crawl through space. Yes. You know, where am I going? I don't know. Chest and then circle. Chest and then circle. Chest and then circle. That's the word. Chest, circle. We're gonna put it together into a short routine using the first 4 moves. So we begin with a head roll. It's gonna be side, forward, side. We go into a body wave, and now we're gonna do 2 twerks. So back, forward, back. Now we've got the hip circle. So forward, circle all the way around, and then we're gonna switch weight onto the other side. Okay, here we go. Let's try it on the other direction. So we're gonna go left, forward, right, body wave, double the twerk action. Back, back, bring the hip forward to circle around, and switch back to where we first started. Let's do it a little bit faster. Here we go. So we've got and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Latin dancing is all about sensuality, especially with the hips.
So we have a free video with 6 tips to get your hips sexy.
Click here.
I'm also gonna leave the link in the description below.
Titus and Lee Wen from Dance and Sandy, thank you for joining us today. And we have another great tutorial on hip action right up here. And my favorite lesson that we've ever taught of all time online is the best cha-cha lesson ever. You should go check that out right there.
For absolute beginners.
I'm Titus and this is Lee Wen from Dance and Sandy. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.